Hey mama, I did it. Hey mama, I did it. You need to turn your whole fucking Mr. Robbins.
Make sure you turn on the production test.
Never to be seen again.
What is going on, guys? It's your boy Chermo coming back at you with another video. Today we have the soda taste test challenge. We'll be trying various sodas, trying to tell the difference between the two. We got a Pepsi products and we got Coke products. So we're gonna try to guess them. I'm joined by Perez, Zeus, and David. Why don't you say hi, guys?
What's up, guys?
I will be announcing the giveaway winner at the end of this video, so make sure you stay tuned. Leave a like if you want to see more of these taste test challenges. Subscribe if you're new around here. But without any further ado, let's just get straight into the taste testing video. Alright, Zeus. Grab a. They're right in front of you. They're right. Alright, just take one first.
What is this? Hey,
ready?
Be quiet.
Yeah.
Which one was that? Oh my.
Oh, I didn't get it.
Grab the second.
That's the other one's crushed.
The first one's crushed?
Yeah.
Okay. There's one right there too, and there's one right there.
What are you? Which ones are these?
These are the cherries. Hey, shut up.
No, that's cool.
Alright, put it down. That last one you just drank, what was it? So you're saying the first one was Pepsi? Okay. Alright, Zeus.
I'll read.
Why my boy looking though?
So Powerade Gatorade?
Yeah.
They're
up?
Oh my god.
I'm not gonna lie, the sugar's pretty clear. Fuck.
What?
This is in the oven. Chris and Thomas did it.
Alright, that's mug and the other one's EW.
Are you sure?
What's the
These are
decision?
These are this is Crush and Fanta. You don't need to tilt your head back that far.
This one's crushed.
That was good. I mean,
You gotta drink! You close your mouth, swallow!
alright, this is Pepsi?
This is Coke.
Okay.
This one's Powerade, this one's Gatorade.
Okay. A&W or Mug?
Mud! This one's A&W, this one's Mud!
Walked it. Boys, this is that sun-kissed or whatever.
That is only Crush or Fanta.
This is that crush, I can tell.
Drink it.
Yeah, it's that crush. It's that Fanta. That's Fanta.
So, Crush Fanta?
Yeah.
Stop with your shit.
That's that cherry.
They're both cherry.
This is gonna be hard.
Oh, mama, it's smart!
This is Coke, this is
Bro, you're killing it! Wait, what?
This is Coke, this is Pepsi.
Okay.
That's Powerade. Yeah, this is Powerade, this is Gatorade.
Again?
Mug.
Whoa! Dude, what are you doing?
This is an A&W.
What are you doing?
Mug.
Mud!
Back.
Shut up. Dude, why does this guy want to play?
A&W. I know those by heart.
So, Mug and A&W?
Mug, A&W.
Okay, I'm ready.
You have a white shirt, so don't spill on me.
Banner Crush.
What is it?
Pepsi Coke.
Look at that, brand new. Alright?
Like a Hellcat.
Shot, Chris.
A&W Mug.
Mom, man.
You sure?
Yeah.
You dead sure?
Yep.
Last place. In last place. Coming in at 450 pounds. Combined.
How many points they got?
We got a tie
For last?
for last.
Not me, it's these two.
Big man on the left, big man on the right.
I'm pretty sure. Are you kidding me?
And coming in second. The weight of 2 pounds. K2. Wait. 6 points. And
I got all of them right? hope y'all enjoyed today's video, guys. Please leave a like if you want to see more of this. Me and the guys have a lot of fun making these types of videos for y'all. And right now I'm going to do the $50 iTunes giveaway. Stop! I have the names of the people that commented, liked, and subscribed on that first video, and here we go. The winner of the $50 iTunes card is X. I don't know if y'all can be able to see this. My camera will focus. XMercs.
You know?
XMercs. On this video, please leave a comment to what your not what your email. Yeah, please leave a comment to what your email is, or tweet me on Twitter your phone number, and I will send you the 2 codes of the $25 iTunes card. I will be doing another giveaway at 100 subs. So guys, please subscribe. I might do a $100 iTunes gift card giveaway, probably 50 and 50. If you're new around here, do not forget to subscribe. This has been your boy Chermo. I'm signing out. Peace.
low, 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 low.